Now let's see this. The difference of two numbers is 1450. On dividing the larger number by a smaller number, we get 8 as the quotient and 29 as the remainder. What is the smaller number? Okay. So now they are saying that they are asking us to find out the smaller number. Let us assume that the smaller number is x. If smaller number is x, then what will be the larger number? Since the difference of the two numbers is 1450, then the larger number is going to be x plus 1450. So this is the smaller number and this is the larger number, right? And now they are saying that on dividing the larger number by the smaller number, which means on dividing this with this, we get 8 as the quotient and 29 as the remainder. Then what is the smaller number, right? So if I am going to divide, which means x plus 1450, this is equal to, if I divide it with this, then they are saying that the quotient is 8 and the remainder is 29, right? So it means that mathematically we can write it this way. Got it? So we have already seen why we should write it this way in the earlier example. Okay. Now let's see how to simplify it. So if I send x this side, it is going to be 7x. Therefore it is going to be 7x equal to 1450 minus 29. So this one is going to be 1421, right? Therefore x is going to be 1421 divided by 7, which means it is 203. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.